This larger debate that we're having, this larger debate that we will be having about the size and the role of government, it has been with us since our founding days. This debate has been with us since our founding days. And during moments of great challenge and change, like the one that we're living through now, the debate gets sharper and it gets more vigorous. That's not a bad thing. In fact, it's a good thing. That's a good thing. Who are these 50 million Americans? Who are these Americans? Many are somebody's grandparents. Many are someone's grandparents who wouldn't be able to afford nursing home care, who without Medicaid won't be able to afford nursing home care. Many are poor children. Some are middle-class families who have children with autism or Down syndrome. Some of these kids with disabilities the disabilities are so severe that they require 24-hour care. Some are kids with disabilities so severe that they require 24-hour care. Put simply, it ends Medicare as we know it, and it will ultimately end Medicare as we know it.